In this episode, we're going to have a look at renewable energy. So by 2020, the UK hopes to use renewable energy resources to provide 15% of its total yearly energy use. So people are becoming more aware of how damaging fossil fuels are to the environment. Now, governments are introducing targets for renewable energy sources and because of public pressure. And vehicles, such as cars or lorries, their manufacturers are creating electric cars and hybrids. Energy providers are also building power plants which use renewable energy resources rather than non-renewable energy resources. So people are becoming more aware of how damaging fossil fuels are to the environment. So what percentage of energy does the UK government plan to draw from renewable resources in 2020? Well, if you remember, that target is 15%. Now, renewable energy resources have their limits, and these include reliability. So some energy resources, such as wind power, are less reliable than fossil fuels. That's because the wind doesn't blow all the time, and also we can just burn fossil fuels whenever we need them. So some politicians also may be less keen on renewable energy sources than others, and that is affecting how much renewable energy is used across the world. Now, there's also a cost factor to this as well. So building renewable power plants is expensive. So renewable options like hybrid cars and solar panels are expensive for people to buy. So that's limiting the progress people are making with that. And there's three factors that limit the use of renewable energy are, first of all, cost, second of all, politics, and thirdly, reliability. Three problems with renewable energy sources are that they cost more, politicians can interfere, and they are less reliable. Governments are introducing targets for renewable energy sources because of public pressure. Three problems with renewable energy resources are that they cost more, politics can interfere, and that they are less reliable.